Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Jeremy in Tennessee on this Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Jeremy, got it ready to go for you, bud. Full Truckerized package. Let's start with, of course, the grill. It's going to keep you from that mesh screen collapsing in there and stopping the fan from turning. Going to maximize airflow, of course. Our tune alignment with all the audio mods, wideband transmit and receive. We got the upgraded electrolytic capacitors, the Toshiba voltage regulator, and all my other little mods. So let's just get right to it here. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug, 25 all the way down, Jeremy, just in case you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 150 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. Pegs that. So let's go to the 1000 watt scale and average. Hello. 350 bird average. What's that going to mean for the peak side? Hello. Over 700 watts. Hello. That's actually 13.6 volts. So anyways, Jeremy, it's all ready to go for you, bud. Hope you enjoy. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.